Good morning, dear children. You see, it is your book, book 8, page number, take out 14, and title is, you see, Unit 2, chapter, Unit 2, Attila. So last time I had given up to page 14, the last paragraph. Now I am starting the page number, you see, here. Page number here, onwards I am starting. Okay, now you take out the book and see it. But sometimes as time passed, our Attila exhibited. What is exhibited means? Exhibited means showed in the public to love of humanity, which was sometimes disconcerting. What is the meaning of disconcerting? To make somebody confused. Disconcerting means confusing. It is making somebody confusing or upsetting. The scourge of Europe. Could he ever have been like this? The scourge of Europe could be ever been like this. They put it down to his age. What child could not help loving all creatures? Okay. In their zeal means enthusiasm. In their zeals or great deal to establish this fact, they went to the extent of delving into ancient history to find out what the scourge of Europe. What is the meaning of zeal? A great energy or great enthusiasm that is established this fact. They went to the extent of delving. Here delving means finding more data. Delving fact, finding more data from ancient history to find out what the scourge of Europe. They wanted to find out in the finding more data in the ancient history that what does the scourge of Europe mean. Now let us see what's like when was a child. The scourge of Europe was like when he was a child. It was a rumor. The rumor that is made that as a child he clung to his friends and to his parents' friends, so that often he had been beaten and separated from them. What it means? He was a notorious child and he used to hold tightly and beat the other friends. Even the parents of friends also he used to beat. Means he had the bad behavior, and many a time he was beaten by those people and separated from them, because friends they don't accept him. They didn't accept him because of his naughty. But when he was 14, he showed the first sign of his future. At the age of 14, he showed his first sign of his future. He knocked down. What is the knocked down means? He hit down and plunged his knife into a fellow who tried to touch his marbles. When he was age of 14, what he did? The first sign of his future he showed. Whoever touched his marble, he used to knock down. He used to hit them hard. And he used to plunge his knife. Plunge means what? He used to take knife and push on their bodies. Okay, now you see, when he was 14, he showed the first sign of his future. He knocked down and plunged his knife into the fellow who tried to touch his marbles. This was discouraging. And let our dog reach the parallel of 14 years. And the people would get to know his real future or real nature. That means what? At the age of 14, our dog's nature will be something different. But this was a vain promise. What was the vain promise? Worthless promise that they had made. He stood up 20 inches high. What is the height of a dog? The height of dog is 20 inches. And had a large frame and a forbidding appearance, unfriendly appearance it had. And on the whole, but that was all. A variety of people entered the gate of the house every day. The mendicant means what? Different type of beggars bill collectors, postmen, tradesmen, and family friends. Different types of people they used to come to the house. All of them were warmly received by Attila. All of them were warmly received by Attila. All of them were warmly received by Attila. The moment the gate clicked, he became alert and stood up, looking towards the gate. When the gate is open, when hearing the sound of the gate, he used to stood up and get alert, and he used to go towards them. Attila went blindly charging forward. He used to go blindly, immediately run away there, and he used to charge at them. But that was all. The person had only to stop and smile. Attila would melt. When person stands there and smile at him, Attila becomes normal. Melt means become normal. And he would behave as if he apologized for even giving an impression of violence. That means after that he apologizes that for his mistake, and he puts his heads down and curves his body and tuck his tail between his legs and roll his eyes and moan as if he to say. And he wanted to say that I am sorry for barking at you. Like that he used to behave. How sad that you should have mistaken my gesture. I only hurried down to greet you till he was patted on the head and stroked and told that he was forgiven and he would be in extreme misery. That means what? The dog will be expecting that the master would come and pat on his head and stroke and told that he was forgiven and he would be in extreme misery. So this is the thing up to here, page number 15, that the paragraph that ends begins from 14 and ends in 15, that I conclude that, and I will come with the next video. Please read this one and try to understand that, and repeatedly you see the video in order to understand these paragraphs. So thank you. I am going to write some of the meanings and the question answer. You see, what is the meaning of exhibited? Exhibited. Meaning of exhibited means showed in the public place. Here in this context. Okay. And zeal means what? Zeal means great enthusiasm. Great enthusiasm or great energy. Okay. Some of the word meanings I am giving you. Clang means held on tightly. Clang. To held on. It is a cling past tense, clang. That's why hold past tense held. Held tightly. Tightly somebody or someone. Someone. So this is the meaning. Then another one is there. Plunged. Plunged. Plunge means one meaning is jumped. Another meaning is pushed. Here, in this context, in this chapter, the meaning will take this one, push. Push means he plunged his knife. It is written here, he plunged his knife into a fellow. Plunge means pushed. Here, in this context, we will understand that meaning push. Okay. Now, vain. What is the meaning of vain? Vain means worthless. Vain means worthless. Okay. Vain means worthless. So these are some of the difficult words that I have taken from this paragraph that you can learn, and paragraph also you can learn. Best of luck. Thank you very much.